Designing just one ad can take hours. You need copy, images, and multiple variants. But this AI can generate ad creatives from a single product link in second. First, we open Google Chrome and search for IMGPT. IMGPT and search. Now we open the official website from the search result. Now home page. Here we are on the IMGPT home page. This tool is designed to generate ad creatives automatically using AI. Instead of writing prompts or designing ads manually, you can simply paste a product link. Now let's go inside the tool. Opening the dashboard. After signing in, we arrive at the main dashboard. From here, we can create a new campaign to start generating ad creatives. So let's create new campaign. Creating a new campaign. Now we are inside the campaign setup screen. This is where we define the product we want to promote. Instead of writing long prompts, the tool allows us to paste a product link directly. Pasting the product link. Here we paste a product page URL into the system. This could be an e-commerce product, a landing page, or any product website. Once the link is added, the AI begin analyzing the page. AI analyzing the product. At this stage, the AI scan the product page. If looks at the image, headlines, descriptions, and key selling points. This replaces the manual research a marketer would you normally do. Generative ad creatives. Now the system starts generating ad creatives automatically. Instead of one design, it products multiple variants. Each version may include different layouts, different headlines, and different visual styles. This gives you several an option instantly. Scrolling, scrolling through results. Here we can see the generated and creation. Each design is slightly different, which allows for easy testing. Instead of spending hours designing ads, you now have multiple variants ready in seconds. From here, these ad creatives can be downloaded, edited, or used directly in advertising campaign. This turns ad campaign into a fast and repeatable process. Views, edit, publish, inside, resize, clone, and Download. Instead of spending hours designing ads, you can now have multiple variants ready in seconds. Full business workflow. Let's look at the complete system. Step 1. Find a product want to you promote. Step 2. Paste the product link into IMCPT. Step 3. Let the AI generate multiple ad creatives. Step 4. Select the best design. Step 5. Run them as ads on platforms like as Facebook, Insta or Google. This creates a simple, scalable and creation workflow. RealGaze uses e-commerce stores. Stores owners can generate multiple and creatives for each product instantly. Use case to freelancer. Freelancer can create ad for clients without hiring designer. Use case 3. Marketing agencies. Agencies can produce ad variants for multiple client scale. If you run ads regularly, a tool like IMGPT can save a lot of time and effort. Instead of designing every creative manually, you can generate multiple ad variants in seconds. For e-commerce seller, freelancer and agencies, this kind of system can significantly speed up the ad creation process. Subscribe to AI System Lab for more AI tools and systems that help you grow real business income.